Today we are going to learn that how can we install an application into our Mac. So let's get started. Here I have downloaded an DGM file. This is a zip file from application. So how we will install it in our Mac? We'll simply press with two fingers and click on open. Over here you will see that it is saying to drag this over the application folder. So we will click on it and drag this to this application folder, and now it has been installed in our Mac. And it will now we can delete this from our desktop first. Okay, we will drag this to the bin, and over here you can see that we have downloaded this file, this application into our Mac. And that's it. Thanks for watching.